As a former customer and now employee, what I like about NowSecure Workstation is the fact that it solves three major problems: time to set up, time and coverage of testing, and time to report. So it's interesting, when I was in the federal government, one of the things that we always complained about was the fact that vendors just wanted one thing: they wanted money. And where I find NowSecure different is the fact that they actually care about the mission. And when you talk to anybody at NowSecure, that's evident. They care about the mission, they care about helping. That's how we make an impact. So what drives me to do the job? I like making an impact. I like the mission. I like helping people. That's actually a funny story why I chose NowSecure. At first, I didn't. In fact, I said absolutely not. But once I got my hands on it and I understood how much of a benefit it had, then of course I had to say yes. That was the first tool we bought. So I was actually starting up a vulnerability assessment program with the federal government, and NowSecure was actually one of the first tools that we identified that could accomplish the job and actually save us time and money for the small amount of people that we had. And when I was looking to make a career change, I of course thought NowSecure would be a great place to work. So what do I like about my job? I like that every day is different. I like that I get to get into things, break things. Every day is fun. What security testing tools do I use? Well, of course, NowSecure, and of course, Frida, Radare, and other open source tools. Coolest vulnerability I've found, well, I can't really tell you, but there was this game that was on the phones of a huge number of federal employees, and it was sending some information to Russia. So what I like about NowSecure Auto is that if you look in the industry today, it's emulators, emulated. And we use and test on real devices. Dare you to find somebody else doing that. So when you think about yourself and the employees around you, do you know what's on your phone and who's watching?